this lesson, we're going to learn some basic information about the 12-bar blues form. 12-bar blues is used in all kinds of contemporary music, including blues, rock, jazz, and country music. The term bar means the same thing as measure, so this is basically a 12-measure blues form. In addition to being 12 measures, the 12-bar blues uses a specific group of chords regardless of musical style. Here we have the notes of the C major scale. I can stack thirds on top of each note of the scale to create triads. There are three major triads found in this scale: C major, F major, and G major. C is known as the 1 chord because it is built off of the first note of the scale. F is known as the 4 chord because it's built off of the 4th note of the scale. And G is known as the 5 chord because it's built off of the 5th note of the scale. Every major scale will have a major chord based off of 1, 4, and 5. The 1, 4, and 5 chords are used in many different songs, and the basic 12-bar blues is no different. The basic 12-bar blues will start with a 1 chord right at the beginning, so this is the C chord in the key of C. That 1 chord will last for 4 measures, taking us to the 5th measure at the beginning of the 2nd phrase of the music. There we hit the 4 chord, which will be an F chord in the key of C. 4 chord lasts for 2 measures, and then we return to the 1, a C chord in the key of C. At the beginning of the 3rd line, or the 3rd phrase, we typically hit the 5 chord for 2 measures, and then finish off with the 1 chord for 2 measures. Now we can take this concept and we can move this into any other major scale or major key. For example, here are the notes of the A major scale. We could build a chord on the 1st degree and we get the A chord 1. On the 4th note for the 4 chord we get D, and on the 5th note we get the 5 chord E. And here are those chords applied to the 12-bar blues.